Welcome to REMA Biotech, pioneers in regenerative biotechnology, creating solutions that restore soils and ecosystems naturally. Modern agriculture depends heavily on synthetic fertilizers, whose production emits high levels of greenhouse gases and degrades soil and water quality. At the same time, climate change, droughts, and overexploitation are leaving lands barren and unproductive. REMA offers an alternative: photosynthetic and nitrogen-fixing microorganisms that restore soil health, boost biodiversity, and reduce dependency on chemicals. These living biotechnologies regenerate the land from the ground up. Field pilots in Chile, with partners, has shown 90% dust suppression, 240% water savings, and carbon sequestration of up to 36 tons per hectare. REMA is now adapting this breakthrough for agriculture. By reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers, we aim to help farmers lower costs and emissions. In Brazil, nitrogen-fixing bacteria saved over $15 billion in one season, a proof of what nature-based innovation can do. Led by scientist Pablo de Hech and CEO Paz Estol, with experts Euro Ledesma and Darling Pontago, REMA is scaling with a shared mission: to empower farmers, restore degraded land, and build climate resilience. We are REMA Biotech. Join us in regenerating agriculture, boosting biodiversity, and restoring balance to the earth. www.remabiotechnology.com. Possestal at remabiotechnology.com.